Hey everyone, my name is Ryan and I'm the CEO and founder here at UpKeep. And today we're going to be talking a little bit more about how our customers are using AI to transform their work. All right, a common fear that our community has is losing decades of maintenance knowledge when your most experienced technician retires. So we're going to try using AI to help preserve a lot of that knowledge so when they retire, it still gets retained with you. So let's go into ChatGPT and let's type in this simple prompt. How can I capture the knowledge of our most experienced technician who's retiring next month? All right, in seconds, you'll see you're going to get this entire framework for knowledge extraction. You'll get interview questions from documentation methods that actually work in this maintenance environment. It's really cool. But our best customers and what we've seen the best people in our community use AI for is not just stopping there. Our best customers are actually following it up with, help me create a simple basic quiz to test basic knowledge or maybe even advanced knowledge of hydraulic systems. And this will create entire training materials for the next generation of technicians that come and join your team. It's really cool. Try it out today. I think it's one of the easiest ways to protect your organization's most important assets, and that's knowledge.